Caleb from CNH Aerospace. I got this from winning Corbinet 6.
No, you won catapult. Junior catapult.
Junior catapult. And Mr. Lynn Surtees gave me this. And we had 2 of these kits.
Yep, we sure did. And in fact, here's mine.
Yes.
So we've got 2 of them. So these come with pre-airfoiled wings and pre-cut dihedral, pre-angled dihedral. Pretty cool. So these are Sting 15s. These are designed by Lynn Surtees out of Australia. And so I've known Lynn for a little while. Followed his efforts for many years. He's quite a legend. Won catapult at the Nats last year. And so Caleb competed in the 2023 Heave-Ho contest, which y'all should fly in the Heave-Ho postal contest. You make your flights and you email them in. Details will be down below in the links. So, Caleb, you going to show us how to trim one of these? Alright, so we're going to start with, hold on. First of all, we balanced them according to the plans. And now we're going to start by test gliding them into the wind. So, where's the wind coming from right now? Where do you feel it coming from? Alright, so stand so you can launch into the wind. And just give it a test glide. You don't have to throw it hard, just give it a test glide. Oh, that doesn't look half bad. Okay, this may be boring. This may be just like mine, because mine did not require any trimming either. I just brought it out here and started flying it and kept shaving off nose weight until it was happy. So, we'll see. Yep. Oh, expended engine. Looks a little unraveled. Alright, let's throw it one more time, but throw it a little harder this time. Actually, throw it really hard. But don't put your finger on that because we don't have a reinforcement back there. There you go. Just throw it good and hard. Okay, so that did not pull out of the dive. So we're going to need a little bit of extra incidence. You may have to work with the glue there a little. Just takes one little drop of it, but is it coming out? All right, hang on. All right, here you go. Just a tiny little dab. There's already a bunch coming out. All right, wipe off the excess. And then here you've got your knee flap to straw. Yep. Get it right up on the trailing edge. There you go. That's good. All right, so that'll make it pull out of the dive. All right, throw it back this way. Nice and hard. All right. Oop. That almost was bad. All right, now tilt it over some, point it up. Oh, it's looking pretty good. Let's see what it does here. Okay, so we definitely have too much left rudder trim, so we'll need to fix that. All right, that's enough. That's enough.
Set it out.
Yep. Got it? There you go. Yes. On the side here. No, on the side. On the side, not on the back. There you go. Nope, on the side. You got it on the back. There you go. All right. Now you're stuck to it. Oopsies. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's happy. Stalling a little bit, but we can fix that.
Where?
On the side of the nose. Yeah, that'll be good. That should relieve the stalling a little bit. Maybe a little too much, but we'll find out. Yep. This one, the CG is a little further aft. Remember, tips of your fingers. As far as you can. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah. And we're going for the trees. Oh, cruddy-duddy. And we're stuck. Alright, let's see if we can get this down. Should be a piece of cake.
I said goodbye. That's more. I want Daddy to eat this box.
How about not?
Why? Yucky mom.
What Paul said. Oh, you ornery plane.
Hi, you have to eat this.
No, thank you.
Well, you don't want to eat a bug shell?
No.
Here, fine, I'll put it on you.
Last time I checked, I was still getting your plane down for you, so you owe me.
Daddy, we remember that shell in your fridge.
Oh, it's just a piece of dead skin at this point. Now, hang on. You have an airplane.
It booped you.
Oh, it did. Okay. Oh, really?
Sorry, there's no proof. Sorry, there's no proof.
Doing this on camera is hard. There we go.
You have to eat moss forever.
Ooh, we're still not happy. Pull. No, not quite enough. Oh, it is still wanting to go in. Pull. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Now, we added a little wash-in wedge right there, so hopefully it'll improve. All right, Caleb. There you go. Now, point it up some more. Not that much. There you go. Pull. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't go in the tree. On straight frickin' for it. Oh, ooh. Thunk. All right, tilt it over some more. Yeah, you got to tilt it over. Ugh, trying to kill me. More. Oh, that's not a bad launch. Well, I say that, and then it goes angry on us. Oh, don't get in that. Dang it. And again. Oh, there we go. All right, Caleb, what do you think of this plane?
Good. You need to go buy a kit from Mr. Lynn Surtees.
Yep, stingmark2gliders.com is
Yes.
if I'm not mistaken, is the website. We'll have a link in the description. Multi-time Australia national champ and also U.S. national champ last year in catapult. Caleb, how about you give us one more launch?
Okay.
Way over there in that corner, so you're away from these trees. Over and plenty of pull. Tilt it way over. Stretch it way out. Oh yeah. This is the best launch of the day. Very nice. Terrible air, but that's okay. Look at that. Oh, what a floater.
And if you're wanting to get a kit from JH Aerospace, go to jdaerospace.com.
And that's it.
Yeah.
It's just jhaerospace.com. All right. Say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye.
Oh, look at that. Full 360 launch.
USPS kits to the post office or UPS kits?
USPS. Actually, I got to do both. Don't worry about it. Nice flight. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.